You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, the name of an area in France, and the name of a famous battle from World War One. And I believe there's one park in around Chicago, Michigan. Anyhow, in French it's pronounced as Cantigny. Cantigny, as in the Battle of Cantigny. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say the Battle of Cantigny. Cantigny. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.